Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagbanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ke jingkuli ke jingsio ka paret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ke education loan. Pila ruban syukola hu number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, arn riwe khandai pra.
Ka Shooting Association of Meghalaya kan penlong ya ka 10th Northeast Zone Shooting Championship ha Assam Regimental Center Shillong kaban sedang nado ka arpo terik hado ka arpunyo terik unailar arajar arpulai. Ya gane Jingïakop Siat Suloi on penlong hapo ka jingkmi jongga National Rifles Association of India da ka jingkershan lang jongga Office jongga Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs jongga Sarkar Jilla. Hagane ke Jingïakop Siat Suloi ki Jingïakop kinlong nakabenta ka 10 meter rifle bat pistol, arpusan meter pistol, 10 meter rifle open sight bat peep sight, bat 10 meter pistol nakabenta ki shenrang bat ki kentay.
Mga kum President juga Shooting Association of Meghalaya ngi sokemen ban bertip ba ngi layo daga Jingïakop ba Department of Sports and Youth Affairs ngi yo ban daga jingkershan jika sarkar niyo ban pelong ban host ya gani ka Jingïakop ya siap kepada ka North East Zonal Shooting Championship ke Bashpo ke ban long nado arpo terik ado arpo nyu terik u matau banai August but ke bangin pelong depo Assam Regimental Center di kumbakalo mata di dan rutli kejela kibala confirm bani simbata ta kalong ke Assam Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, part ke Meghalaya. Directly kejela. Ila confirm bani siberta kan nugut tinggi palaban oh nomor ka entry ngatrai ka di minute ka last date but submit entry ketaga information kadi ke Jingïakop ru ka long ka ba Jingïakop ka long prestigious kadi ka puram nomor ba niyo kalat kadi ka sien ka ba ar ka bang pelong nilalong pelong tem mensuaru hawar jar kan riu kan nyo but kani ketika sien ke ba ka North East Zone ke ba Shpo ke ba pelong ni hap pelong kini ke jela da kapali te nak ta daw nga soban omba kadi ke badan pok bangiyo ban pelong ni nga ai ku leiru ya ki long he jong ka Assam Regimental Center ki Shpai nama da ki mai maki ke ngim dan jakai sel te nga soban ai ku leiru ya kini ki jela ba pher ka ndrutuli jela ki bala menjur moman ni simta ni shimba kindan palat ya ka arspa nrpomut kino ya siat naman ki jela namar ba kani ka Jingïakop ha ka shooting kada don da ka kriteria kada don da ka kandon ila de ban don lupa ka score ka ba he ka ba piang but sagawai ka jingkerpang jong ni ka North East Zonal ka long ba shooting championship kan long ba kani ka Jingïakop baro kan long ha ka jingkmi jingpet jongka National Rifle Association of India ka Federation jongka shooting hapo India te ki kandon ka kanhon ka bashpomut bade ki jury members ki nong bishar pan pet pa kani ka kam kan ya pet ka pamot ba ni penbiang ya ka competition ya ka FOP ka venue ni katai ndai ka jing conduct ya competition ka long hapo ka jingkmi under the aegis of the jongkan NRAI National Rifle Association of India. Lekin don kebasan totally events paper hapo ka 10 meter arpusan meter bat 10 meter. Lekin don ki kategori paper tu kebasan totally events. Tian ta kani ru kadai ka idon ki kerta paper ki balaban simta nangta ki baro kini ki application kila ya nantala RLITO ilong online route nama ki ditang kitu ki bala achieve ki bala poi ka kertan ya siap haka jela la jong ka bakata ka score average ngatrai ka di south spa seneng ka score kamot ki la ban apply ban ayu di kat kum ka kadadon ka procedure ban apply kam di ka siwan mi pai ba ni simenta dengan dokumen ba naga jela jungi kin don kum ba palat arpusan hut ki ban simenta what apa yang kejununa kejimbok ni range ni martian bangi ngin jingshang di ban bon kidang ya Siat den reba hai jingdan ibarit ngidan i indoor range iba pralin e kumta ka tahin yo ban promote ga sports dai nga sobat oba ki bon ba ki ba khot ing ki ba kontak ingi ban kwa ni shimta dai na ka daw bangi pala ban bu ka range apo jela la jong tinggi dan ka limitation ban pediang ya ki khot ban wan shimta ka ni dai kum kinang Siat apo ka jela ni dan pala sausan gut e ki don pat ki bampat kot e ka score ti kimla ban qualify ban ya Siat namar ka ya kat kum ka shooting competition ka bangi dang shudap ana kani ka ba pidai I mana kani ka bangi dang shoot pandap ka state shooting championship ti ki kadadon ka score bakin qualify ban lech ka north east level but na ka north east level kin hap qualify na ka tu score kat kum ka score ka ba Siat ban qualify pat ban lech ka nationals kan jing tibet ban Siat ka score ka ba am dunai ka south pa shaneng tak ber phimpala ban lech kita ki jela ka tinggi song kuben bagi dan mata do arsan gun ba la qualify ban rung syaka north east ban kini kin ni kerben scam bakini ru kin yo ya ki takama ki baper ban wara ya buram ya jela
this will give us all the necessary experience. The more competition the shooters get, the more confidence they gain. So facing competitions, facing their adversaries, facing their competitors is a very much part of their building up their confidence in shooting. We expect 260, maybe over. It could cross 300 depending on the situation with Manipur. There's little doubts of the full team being able to participate. But nonetheless, irrespective of what is happening elsewhere, we are going forward and our games, the championship will start from the 20th and culminate on the 27th. There will be a total of 50 events across the three main disciplines, this 10-meter rifle and pistol, 25-meter pistol, 50-meter pistol and 50-meter rifle. The rifle will consist of prone position and 3 position in peep sight rifle sports. And in open sight, there will be only prone category. In 50-meter, there will be 50-meter pistol and the rest 25-meter will be sports pistol and your standard pistol. Apart from that, you will be having something which is pretty much new, the mixed team events. This will be held only mainly in the 10-meter rifle and pistol category. Tripura is still functioning in the old school where they want to hire players from other states, but that does not work with our federation within the framework of the rules.
All our Meghalaya shooters who are participating are registered in the website of the National Rifle Association of India, NRAI, as registered shooters. So that's one criteria. If you want to compete in Meghalaya, you have to be a registered shooter of Meghalaya in the portal website of the federation.
Where they are also issued a unique shooter ID number.
So you have a unique shooter. Archery has it. Athletics also has it. Most of the big federations now, they have a unique shooter ID. So what happens is there is no, in the past there used to be a lot of borrowing. In the past there used to be a lot of borrowing of shooter and this and that. So now federations have fixed unique ID for each shooter.
Setting up a shooting infrastructure is not like other sport, but in shooting the range has to be dedicated. The targets cannot be moved frequently or they will get spoiled, and these target systems are very fragile and very expensive. So getting a dedicated hall within the framework of the budget of the association is beyond the reach. So this discussion has been going on with the sports department, and we are hoping that soon this will be resolved. Apart from the indoor range for the 10-meter, We also have a specific requirement for 25-meter long range, 50-meter long range, and 300-meter long range. This is where live fire, live ammunition is used. This is not your small pellets. These are live ammunition. So apart from that, for trap and skeet, this also has to be a dedicated range for trap and skeet. This cannot be shared with other shooting sports. The machinery, the targets used are very specific to that range.
Shooting in Siat and India, it can take a lot. NCR region, India, India, Break on Ladakh, Peter, Ladakh, range Hangi, Wangala, Saki, Ba, sharp shooters, Johan, Nandi, Northeast, the best sharp shooters. Target in ICP, Jota on H point. Upon Ukraine have a lot of these games, but upon Ukraine have a watch, shooting championship to me, I can say with confidence that most of my sharpshooters are from the northeast. Just that we don't have a range. Over 200 ranges, so we can see a bit. The only recovery, we can turn also back, but we keep also back as a big key. Big so back no money go. The day ba kilap people project. Ang pagbabaran ka ng games, yo ito babu ba.